Tuscany stands among the world's leading yachting regions. A place where craftsmanship meets innovation. A global reference for yacht building and refit. Here, a unique ecosystem connects companies, skills, and vision, bringing together excellence across the entire supply chain. A unique ecosystem of companies and skills, connecting tradition, technology, and vision. This is NAVIGO. This is the Tuscan Yachting Cluster. Beyond production, Tuscany becomes an experience. It is a way of living, a culture of taste, where time becomes value. Where craftsmanship becomes identity, and heritage evolves into luxury. Where tradition shapes innovation. Excellence in every detail. Where emotion becomes culture and travels beyond borders. All connected in one place. All rooted here. Welcome to Tuscany, where it all begins.